get stuck. No, we're a good design if we get stuck.
No, she'll get it back in there.
Oh, there we go. What's holding it on there, little string?
Yeah.
Probably rip it off.
Well, we found something each of them like.
Yeah, for a while.
Yeah. Moonlight likes the other thing. She's trying to figure it out, I think.
Determined to get it out of there.
Yeah. It's just like how Moonlight was with the ball and the everything.
Yeah.
Like for half an hour, 45 minutes, she just gave her.
It's like, it's gotta come out of there. I gotta get it out of there.
Rhonda's cats were like Dixie and they just pulled it right out.
What?
I got one for Rhonda there, but their cat, we just one swipe and she pulled it right out.
Pulled what out?
The big cats, Rhonda's cats.
Pulled the bird out?
Yeah.
You mean ripped it out?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's what I just said.
But with her kitten seed, it's on there
Yeah.
pretty good.
So it's made for kittens?
I think more for kittens maybe, certain ages.
Well, I would
didn't
think
check
it would
them.
have to be in there pretty solid for not to fall out.
Yeah.
Determined. Ah, you got it out. When do I get a turn? I want a turn. Just pick Shadow up for a minute and give her a chance.
Okay. Come here,
See what she
Moonlight.
does.
Come here, Moonlight, for a minute. Come here. Come here, you can try. You can try too. Just a minute. Come here, Shadow. Come here, Shadow. Come here. Come here. Let her have a try for a sec. Let her have a try. Yeah, let her have a try for a minute. I know you're all interested. You just wait.
Go back at it again here.
You just wait a sec. You just wait a minute. I know, I know. Just a minute, Bob. Just a minute and you can have a turn.
Trying to hold on to a tornado.
I can't. She escaped.
Like trying to hold on to a tornado.
Like a 2-year-old that's squirming. She'll squirm till they fall on her head. Well, we figured out now we have to get 2 of everything we get.
Pretty much.